welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I just want to share with you one of the most important unboxing videos that I will be making kasi in the past month, I actually deactivated my social media, as in lahat din-deactivate ko at binura ko yung social media ko sa aking cellphone just to focus doing this thing. At nag-enroll ako sa 4 na courses. At ito na ngayon, I'm gonna share it with you at almost a month and a half ko siya bago natapos. Kasi nga, I'm also working, tapos ginagawa ko lang siya kada rest day at minsan pag may time, pagkaya ng oras ko. After ng shift, I am also taking my course. Lahat ng ito ay 20 lessons siya, 4 courses na yun. And I'll be also going to share with you yung mismong package nila. So nag-enroll ako ng 4 courses sa High English Assessment and Training. Ito yung kanilang link sa Facebook. Ayan. So sobrang mapapakinabangan natin ito mostly sa ating mga English majors. If you really wanted to teach English abroad, or kaya naman kapag mag-apply ka na sa public school, kasi ginagamit siya as your credential as part of the training. At kapag natapos mo tong course na to, automatic 10 points na agad to sa ating ranking sa pag-apply natin sa public school. So, ang dami nang nag-take ng course na to ng mga English teachers din. So, nanood din ako ng mga videos, sa mga unboxing videos, sa mga review nila sa mga courses na to. And I gonna guarantee you, yung High English Assessment and Training, isa sila sa may pinaka-affordable na courses na ino-offer at madali lang yung course as in. Kasi dati ko pa siyang gustong i-take, pero it takes time sa ibang mga agency or ibang mga company or ibang mga website. Kasi talagang you're gonna have your teaching demonstration, meron siyang face-to-face interview at marami pang iba. So ito sobrang pinadali yung processes nila at sobrang legit din naman talaga yung High English. So, ang dami ko sinabi, but here it is. Let's unbox it na. So, mapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba itong mga courses na to na recently ko lang siyang kakatapos. Ayan. So, itong package na in-avail ko, ito na yung whole package nila. Kasi mas mura kapag in-avail mo na yung whole package nila. Like, kompleto na to. You're gonna have your soft copy, 4 copies yun. Kasi nga, 4 courses yung tinake ko. Plus, yung 4 hard copies ng certificate. I also have 4 medals and 1 plaque of appreciation or 1 plaque of completion rather. So, eto na siya. Ayan, super excited ako kasi talagang, you know, I work hard for it. Ayan, so ito yung mga courses na natapos ko. So, basahin ko muna yun dito. It says here, Certificate in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. So, ito yung TESOL na tinatawag. At ito ay 120R na. So, sobrang panalo. Kasi meron din mga nagbibigay ng mga courses na 100R lang. So, if you're gonna apply this one sa credential mo kapag you're gonna teach abroad na, mas tinitignan nila yung mas mataas na R ng course mo. So, ito ay 120R na. And, yan. Again, this is from High English. So, aside from TESOL, yung other course ko naman ay yung Teaching English to Young Learners or TEYL. Ayan, 120R din siya. Then, aside from these two, I also enrolled in Teaching English as a Foreign Language or yung TEFL. And lastly, yung Teaching English as a Second Language or TESL. Ayan. So, ito yung mga courses na tinake ko sa High English. So, aside from these hard copies, sobrang ganda. Sobrang saya ko lang ngayon kasi it's an achievement. You know, ang hirap pagsabayin ng pag-aaral tapos yung pagtatrabaho. Kaya grabe, sobrang salute ako dun sa mga working student. Kasi, like, I consider myself as a working student din. Pero kasi, ano siya, self-paced lang siya. Unlike yung sa mga working student talaga na, alam mo yun, they have their class every day. Ito kasi nasa sa akin na kung kailan ko siya gustong tapusin. Nag-set lang ako ng time frame ko na dapat this day or this month matapos ko na siya kasi I also have things to do this August, like magiging sobrang busy kami sa SK, kaya tinapos ko na siya ng August or ng first week ng August. So aside from these hard copies, ito naman yung aking mga medals. At wow, may pa-free lanyard ang High English. Thank you, High English. Ayan. So these are the 4 medals. At kung mapapansin nyo dito sa certificate na to, advance yung month, or I mean, advance yung day na na-accomplish ko siya. Kasi right after ma-accomplish ko yung isang course, nagpagawa na ako nitong mga awards na to. Kasi nga, ano siya like, customized. At sabi rin nung nag-a-assist sa akin, yung contact ko sa High English na much better na ipagawa na siya agad kasi minsan nade-delay kapag sobrang dami nag-enroll sa kanila. So, yeah, I decided na after ng isang course, magpagawa na ako. Kaya yung date dito ay July 10. Oo, pero tapos naman ako itong August 2 lang. And so, these are the medals. So, this is the first medal. Ito ang TEFL course. Then, the TESOL. Ito naman yung TESOL. At, itong isa na to. TEYL. Yan, TEYL. 4 to 4. Then, lastly, I have TS medal in TSL course. Parang graduate. And lastly, gusto ko, kaya in-avail ko yung whole package nila. Kasi first time ko nagkaroon ng ganito, kaya sabi ko, yeah, nalaman ko to. Ayan, so, ito talaga yung pinaka gusto ko sa lahat sa package nila. Like, ang ganda ng pang-display. Chicken! At may bubble wrap pa. Sobrang safe ng packaging din. Let's have it now. Yeah. And this is a plaque of completion. Ayan. Pero dun sa package nila na to, na-avail ko to ng 4,950. So, yung 4,950 ang inclusion po nun ay 4 soft copy ng 4 courses mo. Tapos itong 4 hard copies ng certificate. Ayan. Kung titignan ninyo, meron pa siyang, ano ba tawag dito? Hindi siya bind eh. Ayan, meron siyang parang frame. I don't know what do you call this one. Pero yeah, ito siya. Tapos, 4 medals din for the 4 courses. At ito yung plaque of completion. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito, this plaque is presented to Glen Avelino, DNI, for completing the 4 English courses which are the TEFL, the TESOL, or the TESOL, the TESL, and the TEYL offered by High English. Ayan. At signed by Andrew U. Dalton. Si Andrew U. Dalton ang kanilang academic director. May plastic din siya. At tatagay ko rin sa plastic. Ganda niya. So, pwede ba na? Ganda. Parang pang best actor. Cutie. Ito siya. Ganda. So, this is my plaque of completion. Ayan. So, itong in-avail ko, it is a package, yung whole package nila. 4,950 siya. Pero if you don't like this stuff naman, meron din silang courses lang. Like, yung 4 courses nila is only 999. Ayan. So, popost ko din dito yung iba pa nilang mga packages. Hindi ko siya kabisado. Pero nung nag-enroll ako, una ko nang binayad is 999. At after that, dahil wala pa ako masyadong pera, after nung payment ko sa aking trabaho, nagbayad na ako ng another 3,500 para ma-avail ko itong package nila. Ayan. So, maganda rin naman silang kausap kasi super accommodating nila. At ang mura lang ng course nila. If you're gonna look into other websites, ang mahal, like yung isang course lang, yung TESOL lang na course, umaabot na siya sa 10K. Pero ito, like, 4 courses na siya. Ayan, so para saan nga ba itong mga courses na to? Gaya nga nasabi ko sa inyo kanina, you can use this as your credential in teaching abroad. And kapag you're planning na to apply in public school, magagamit mo din siya as your credential at 10 points na agad ito. Nanood din ako ng mga review ng ibang mga nag-take ng course na to at nakapag-apply sa public school, accredited siya. So, ayun, nakakuha agad sila ng 10 points. Kaya sobrang saya din na natapos ko siya. Oo, at yung range naman ng course na to, it's up to you. Kasi yung 4 na courses, ano na siya 20 lessons lang siya lahat-lahat. At kung i-take mo siya seriously talaga, kung wala kang kung wala ka pang trabaho as of the moment, then you enroll this one, kaya mo siya ng 1 week. Promise, kaya siya ng 1 week. Pero kung may work ka nga, tapos pagkasabay mo yung pag-aaral mo, siguro, ayun, katulad ko, like 1 month and 1 week, parang ganun ko siya natapos. Kasi, you have other stuff to do rin naman, you are working, so don't pressure yourself na tapusin siya agad. Kasi it is a self-paced courses eh. Kung nagmamadali ka naman kasi you also have a target month, so you're gonna be stay focused in taking this course. Kasi, I gotta share it with you na lang din na mahaba yung kailangan basahin. Then right after each lesson, there is an assessment that you have to answer. At for you to be able to get correct answers on those assessments, syempre you also have to read everything. Diba? At kailangan intindihin mo rin talaga siya. So, madali lang naman, swear, sobrang dali lang niya. I also have my notes. I took down notes when I actually study each lesson. So, ito yung mga notes ko. Ayan, I also have some video din while I am taking this course. So, ito siya. Makita niyo dyan. Ayan siya. So, yeah, sobrang dali lang talaga niya. It takes time lang talaga to accomplish kasi mahaba yung lesson. Pero yun yung 20 lessons siya. Kasi nga 4 na courses na siya. Pero sobrang sulit. Yeah, you're gonna learn a lot from it that you will be applying na kapag nagturo ka na ulit ng English. So, ba't ba ako na-take ng course na to? Kasi I'm planning to actually apply na in public school muna. After that kasi, I'm also planning to teach abroad. So, I am just trying to be ready lang din. There are a lot of things that you need to ready yourself, like financially, mentally, physically, and a lot more. Kasi you're gonna be far from your family and friends, diba? Kaya, yeah, that's my plan. That's why I took these lessons or took these courses. And yeah, and also, ang tagal ko na rin kasi wala sa teaching field. Almost 2 years na ako wala sa teaching field. Ayoko naman na mag-apply ulit ako to be back on teaching na, I'm not that ready. 2 years, almost 2 years din ako wala sa teaching field. And I believe na ang dami kong dapat aralin ulit. Ang dami kong dapat i-ready ulit sa sarili ko para whenever I'm gonna stand in front of my students, future students, I know that I am prepared. I know that I am ready. I learned a lot from English courses or from English academic courses or English academic lessons na I can fully impart to my students. Kasi iba rin ang hirap din na magtuturo ka na hindi ka naman yung sobrang learned, sobrang knowledgeable sa mga lessons. At I believe na itong mga to, I can probably tell na sobrang dami kong may impart sa mga future students ko dahil sobrang natuto ako sa mga courses na to. So, yun lang. And again, this is the website of High English. Ayan. Nasa Facebook lang naman sila. Tapos, when you enroll to them, bibigay nila yung logins mo. So, you just have to save your login para hindi ka na mag-reset ng login mo. Hopefully na makatulong itong unboxing video na ito. Sobrang ganda ng courses. Sobrang applicable siya sa lahat ng English teachers or to those people also who have the desire to teach English then abroad. Yan, kasi sa Thailand, hindi naman kailangan na English major ka to teach English. Or hindi nga kailangan na BSED graduate ka or BEED graduate ka to teach it there. As long as you have a degree or you are a degree holder, you can teach them. Pero, syempre, iba pa rin yung alam mo yung sa sarili mo na you are capable of teaching this subject. Kaya talagang this is a good preparation for us English teachers mostly. Ayan, so yun lang. I hope na you learned a lot from this unboxing video. Sobrang saya na natapos ko na tong course na to at makakabalik na ako sa Songmet. So yun nga, again, hopefully you learned a lot from it. And again, if you are wishing to enroll on these courses, this is the sign. Mag-enroll ka na. Sobrang gandang credentials to at sobrang gandang preparation for your future endeavor as well. So, bye for now. And see you on my next vlog.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.